Good morning and welcome to day 4. We are about to check out of Park MGM and head over to Cosmo. We're going to do 3 check-ins this morning. Emily's checking into Cosmo, I'm checking into Cosmo, and then I'm checking into Venetian. Palazzo. We're only staying in Palazzo tonight. We're staying in Cosmo tomorrow night. We're doing Bellagio, Sadelles for breakfast for the club sandwich. And then we're doing Wynn Buffet tonight. I am feeling still like utter garbage, unfortunately.
I'm a bit on.
She's hungover after a very drunk day yesterday.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed we can have a good day. I'll pick it up in a bit. All right, so getting ready to go out. So I'll show you my outfit. Another Travis Matthews, another Las Vegas themed. It says, I'm trying to read this backwards in the mirror. Las Vegas is for people who love good times until you meet destiny and make bad decisions and lose all your money. Not today, my friend. Not today. All right, I thought, I'll just jump on a machine. And he's like, you're not going to play, are you? I'm like, yeah, I've got a $50 Tito. I'll just whack it in, do a few spins. First spin, bonus. Ooh, 8 free games or 6 free games and the coin feature. Let's go 6 free games and coin feature. Land the coins, come on. We need 6 coins. Alright, as you can see, we'd literally put $50 and 17 cents in, so... Ooh. Retrigger? No. This isn't going well so far. $2.60. Spin 4, 5 more. My God, this is a coin feature. Where's the coins? Oh, this is garbage. $4. Last spin. Right, 4 more. Oh, you rat bag. That was garbage. Alright, seems we're back in the bonus. So I only landed 2 of them, but obviously these wilds count as balls, so... Yeah, and a mini. Alright, $10.
That's it then.
That's it?
Yeah.
But what? I don't get to spin?
No.
Oh.
You have to hold and spin.
Oh, right. I thought it was automatic. Alright, 16.30. Yeah, we'll take it. Alright. I knew there was a reason I sat down. She's fuming. Here we go. Big numbers attract big numbers. It's a good morning.
I'm happy for my husband.
Finally, I've won something. Yeah, she says she's happy for me on camera, off screen. First thing she went was, "Oh, you jammy bastard!" All right, big numbers attract big numbers. Come on. Why did this super jackpot light up? Oh, hold and spin. Yes, nice. All right, decent. All right. So we're looking at $105.60 so far. What does Legends Touch change to? Just give me a random number. Okay. Probably won't give me anything else now. Oh, mini's flying around. Mini's $10. Major is 50. Minor is 20. Come on, big numbers attract big numbers. Drop me another big one. Last spin. Save the day. Come on. Oh. What are we going to reveal? $5. All right. We will take it. The famous line everyone hates. $112.60. Finally, a winning. Hey, there seems to be something with these Travis Matthews Las Vegas t-shirts. I'm not taking them off. All right. Our $50 is converted to 167. We're going to keep playing since this game is so active. Back if we get another line hit or a bonus. Alright, we made it to Cosmo, just parked the car. It's only 9 o'clock, half 9. We're going to try and see if we can get checked in. Not expecting to be able to, but we'll give it a go. I've got one room here for one night, which is just a studio room. Emily's got a suite for 2 nights, so we'll be staying in her room. But it would be good if we can get me checked in, because we're planning on using my Sadelles $100 MGM credit. So excited to see what the rooms are like here. We've never stayed in Cosmo. We've never been able to get offers, so we were happy when the merger took place. So really intrigued to see what the room's like, what the check-in process, well, check-in process is the same, but just what the rooms are like. So we'll get to see 2 different types of rooms today. And today's choice of Monster, this video is sponsored by Monster Energy. Ultra Blue Hawaiian drink, very nice. Next one will be the violet drink I'll be trying. We've never even been down here, Em. We never really walked down this section because we never need to check in. All right, so we were not able to get a room. We checked in separately, both of us unable to get rooms. They will email us, so we're gonna hang around Cosmo for an hour. We're booked in Sadelles at 11, so we're gonna stay here till 10:30 in the hope that they email us with a table. If not, then we'll just go to Sadelles. We might be there an hour. Hopefully by the time we come to actually pay the bill, we'll have been allocated a room and we can charge it across to the room. So we're gonna do some gambling in Cosmo. I'll pick it up when we jump on a machine. All right, I am $100 down in 20 minutes. Emily is vlogging. Bonus after bonus. $2 bet, 1 cent Dino. Got the buzzsaw feature. Plenty of hats, plenty of mansions. Wow. This is lining up to be a very good bonus. But we'll jump across to Emily's vlog.
We just got the buzzsaw feature on $2 bet. Yes. Come on, hats. At least I got one mansion. Come on. Sorry, my filming skills are terrible. Yes. Very good. Wow. Okay, wow. Can you take over the film? Zoom me out. Come on. That's good, that's good. Another mansion. You know, Hufflepuff never pays me, so this is like the first time I've got tennis on it. More hats, that's it. Amazing. Very, very happy with that screen. Let's see what I get. What do you reckon, Russell? $10. Okay. Good start. Let's see what these are. $263. Thank you very much, Hufflepuff. Russell's not happy now, but he had a good win earlier, so thank you very much. I put the bet down to $1 and it gave me another bonus, so I'll just film it. It gave me a full screen. A mega hat. Let's see what I can get on this one. Come on, hats. Nope. not being very generous this time. Come on. Okay. Hats, hats, hats. Okay, no mansions this time, but tops up the kitty a little bit. Let's see. Small numbers. Oh, that's for you. Oh, that's alright. $26. That's fine.
Alright, I am $200 down. Emily is 200 up, aren't you?
Yeah, I think so.
About 200 up. So we're going to head back.
Well, you
It
just
is.
lost 40 of mine.
Yeah. I know. I don't even get line hits or anything. It is 10:30. We're going to go back and see if we can beg them to give us a room. I'm going to play the old sick card. See if it works. Because we want our F&B credit for our reservation at 11:30 in Sadelles. So let's give it a go. All right, that was a result. So I went back and I just spoke to the lady and I just said, look, I'm not feeling well. I don't care what room you give me. Give me the room that you can never sell. Doesn't matter if it's got a view of a nuclear power plant. I'm not bothered. Like, don't care about the view. Don't care about the floor. Don't care about the... I just want a bed. So she said, look, there's nothing available apart from those. She said there's a tower suite with a fountain view, which is an upgrade fee. I was like, I'm not interested in paying the upgrade fee. I just said, okay, just email me when you get something come available then. And to be honest, she just walked, I was prepared to walk away, and she turned around and said, let me go speak to someone at the VIP desk and come back to you. And she came back with a room. Boulevard, 1887. No idea if it's a studio suite, a studio room, a twin room, a suite. I have absolutely no idea. All I know is it's in Boulevard Tower. So we are going to head over there and check out the room. So yeah, that was a result. Happy with that. So we are staying in the Boulevard Tower, the Boulevard of Broken Dreams. Ooh, I'm excited. First ever time checking into a Cosmo room. Here we go. All right, I'm looking forward to this. I'm excited.
Yeah, I want to see what it's like.
I've just always seen it on vlogs and never been in real life. Oops, someone's getting in. All right, 1887, first room. 1886. 100 years later was a great year. 1986. That's when legends were born. 1987. Like I never had a room so close. Here we go. Let's see what we've got. All right.
I love it, guys. You've seen the room before me.
Yeah, that's what happens in vlogs. All right, I think we've got an upgrade. I don't know.
No, that's just not an upgrade because that's not a Japanese soaking tub. But it's the view.
Is this the studio? This is the normal studio. This is a great room. If this is the bog standard room, this is brilliant.
No, there's a city room that's below this, but this is like a studio. But you haven't got the soaking tub I have.
All right, so yeah. Well, I did say I don't care if it's a ship view, and it is pretty poor view, but I don't care. Let's go out. All right, it's weird having a balcony in Vegas. It is a view over the pools, which are closed, empty.
Yeah.
Out the back near Polo Towers. Yeah, you wouldn't think we were on the 18th floor, would you?
No.
I feel like we're on about the 4th floor.
I'm taking this thing off.
All right, let's go in, have a look. So, who's messed up the bed already? Oh, look at that. Terrible.
We won't stay in this room.
No, we're not staying in here, but we'll do a quick tour. Wardrobes. Good sized wardrobes. Is that a 3-year wardrobe? Robes. Yeah, that's good. Safe, ironing board. All right, good little rooms. I can see why people enjoy them.
Yeah. It's nice having a balcony.
Bar, TV. It's nice having the sofa, lounge, working space. Good room for vlogging, actually. If you're editing and doing stuff. Bathroom, standard. Cosmo. Hand wash and body lotion. Nice big bath. Decent, nice big shower. Yeah, for a standard room, this is very good. I suppose these were apartments, so this would have been a studio apartment. Bed, living area would have been as is. Obviously this area would have been the kitchen. So yeah, very happy with this room. Just means that we can now head to Bellagio and charge everything back to this room. And we don't have to wait around, so that's good. So we're going to head over to Bellagio now. All right, so she never mentioned about the food and beverage credit. I am assuming it's on. The guy did tell Emily that she's got her food and beverage, so I should have mine. We're going to check if we've got the free play. It wasn't showing uploaded before. I don't think they're honouring the free play when you do back-to-back bookings, even if you booked in a different month, because we booked in a different month and it's not showing up on the card. I'm going to recheck now that we've checked in, but it's not looking promising. All right, so I went to the MGM Rewards desk and they confirmed you can only get the free play if you've got the 72 hours between stays. So we're just hoping now that that won't affect our second MGM bookings, which it might do now, because technically we're in MGM properties every day. Well, we've got one day off tomorrow and then we're checking back in, so we'll see.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season.
All right, $200 down for the day in Bellagio. We are going to head over to Sadelles. There's a long queue already. There's a queue even if you have reservations. So our reservation's in 15 minutes. We're going to head over now. I am starving. We've not had anything all day. And I'm really intrigued to try this club sandwich. I have had probably over 1,000 club sandwiches in my life. No joke. And this comes very, very highly rated. So I'm interested to see what it will score on the Russell's review. All right, there's a big queue for the walk-ins. We'll go straight to the front with our reservation, hopefully. Alright, we're facing a conundrum. How on earth do you eat the sandwich? Go on, Emily, give it a go.
No way.
There's no attractive way to do this. It won't. There's no way you eat it. Alright, so thoughts on Sadelles. Nice restaurant, nice cafe, nice setting.
Server was good.
Server was good. I think she's been there since it opened. But for me, the club sandwich was all show and no substance.
It was just so difficult.
It was too, you can't eat it. Like, there was no point in putting things between two slices of bread if you can't eat it properly. They could have reduced the meat by 50% and it wouldn't have impacted the sandwich in any way. And then you would have been able to eat it and enjoy it.
Honestly,
It was just too much. Yeah, even a half is enough for two people. It's just a waste of meat. And, you know, it was okay, but nothing to shout home about. The chips, however, the fries were really, really good.
Nice.
Coffee was nice. I've got mine. The ice latte is so big, I've had to push mine into a Bellagio cup. So all in all, decent. We are heading back to Cosmo. We're going to do some gambling in Cosmo, and hopefully Emily's room will become available. And then once we've got Emily's room, we will head over to the Venetian and check into the Venetian also. I sat down to play Rake and Bacon. I thought, I'll just do a few spins. I'll do 88 cents a bet. And then I realised I'm on a 10-cent denom. Luckily, I got a line hit, $151. Thank you. Right, we are playing Lightning Dollar Link, and we hit the bonus, and we landed the mini, so $20 orbs. And first drink of the day, Stella Cider is back in Cosmo. All right, here we go. Let's see what we can land. I have already done one spin. Let's see. Let's shop a mini, or a minor would be nice. Mini $10, minor is $50. We were just low rolling on 1 cent denom, 50 cents a bet, waiting for the drink. Had a couple of decent wins actually on this game. Alright, decent numbers. Fill them up. Alright, 3 spins to go, 3 boxes remaining. Alright, last spin, save the day. Come on. Just one more. No, we'll take that. All right, 33 bucks. Thank you very much. We'll do a couple of backup spins live. And I'll come back if we get another bonus or a line hit. Emily got her room at 1 o'clock, so we're heading up there now. Room 6592 Boulevard Tower.
By the way, if you've got an international number, always go and ask them because it doesn't work, or the email.
So Emily went to the desk and they were like, oh, you know, have you received an email or have you received a phone call, an SMS? Emily got us in the wrong lift. All right.
It wasn't me.
6 lifts later, we finally got in while the key wasn't working. Was you?
So we only got 1 key.
So we only got 1 key, that's fine. So yeah, Emily went to the desk and she was like, oh, have you had an email or an SMS? And Emily was like, well, I don't receive my emails. You don't get emails from you and I never get any SMSs from you. And then she texted us and was like, oh yeah, your room's ready. So it's always worth going up and just re-asking. Don't wait for an SMS or an email because 99% of the time you won't get one. Anyway, let's take a tour of the room. It's Ariana Grande. All right, we are 6592. Yeah, go on. 6592. She's gone that way. Doesn't even know which way to go. Which is why I don't trust her with a map when I'm driving. She'll walk all the way around. Oh, here she is. Here she is. She walked all the way around because she can't count. Room 6592. Our first time in these rooms. Oh, someone's left a bag. Is there any money in it? Is it full of cash? No. Mr. John Cullins, AA 777. You left your bag and your bag tags in here. Naughty. All right, let's take a look around the room. Right, nice little seating area with a TV, mini bar. I'm guessing the fridge in here that we can use. I can't remember it actually. In Cosmo, is there? Yeah. Yeah, fridge. That's handy. Right, wardrobe, seating area, form length mirror, which is nice. Bathroom looks small. Ah, yeah, of course. Japanese soaking tub. Shower, double sink, toilet. You don't need to see inside the toilet. View doesn't look very good. Bed.
It's a mountain view.
Bedroom's nice, small, decent. Back to there's no glass there, is there? No. I mean, what are you supposed to do with that?
Russell's not impressed.
Like, I don't like baths like that. To me, that's pointless. Like, you can't sit in it and relax. Out onto the balcony and the mountain view. So, view of Bellagio. Can't quite see the fountains. The backside. Mountain view, Rio, palms, snow on the mountains. And then down to Park MGM. Not a bad view. We're not really bothered about views, are we? No. Got a plane taking off, we got a helicopter going through the sky. Alright, so we are just relaxing on the sofa in Cosmo. It's very nice here, isn't it?
I can't move.
We are going to head over to Venetian and try and check into our third hotel room of the day. In our fourth hotel, Park MGM, Cosmo, Venetian. Things we do for free shit. What have we got in Venetian? We got $150 free play. They offer matched.
Offer match, wasn't
And
really
then gave me like 30% of the offers. So they didn't give me any food and beverage, but they just gave me $150 free play. So better kicking the balls. So we're going to head over there. All the stuff is still in the car. So we're going to take the car over to Venetian. One night in Venetian. And then we'll be heading back here tomorrow night to stay in this room. Before then heading to Nomad for 2 nights. So I'll pick it up when we get to Venetian. And then the plan this afternoon is to do Venetian, Wynn, Treasure Island, and Casino Royale.
Yeah.
Right, we are heading down. We just nipped to the room on the 18th floor. I've stolen the, well, not stolen because you paid for them, the slippers, Cosmo slippers. So we'll have 4 pairs of them to go back. They're quite nice, these, because they've got the nice branding on. These are probably the old ones from Cosmo. They'll soon be cheap, crappy MGM ones. Right, so we made it into Palazzo, 44th floor. He said he'd given us an upgrade. I think it's just a upgraded view.
You always say upgrade in here. But
yeah, upgraded view, which is sphere view, he says. So, yeah, looking forward to checking out this room. Do a room tour incoming. We made it into Palazzo, 44th floor. This is a twin queen room, I believe. Nice little bathroom, little makeup station. Double sink, big mirror, bath. Decent sized shower, WC. These rooms are pretty much exactly the same as the Venetian.
They're renovating the rooms, aren't they?
They're renovated, yeah. So yeah, twin queen, perfect wardrobe in here with the safe, ironing board. Ooh, the robes look nice. Oh, the robes are nice. That's the second to Fountain Blue.
Normally there's stairs that go down, isn't there?
Yeah. Is there in Palazzo? Maybe there isn't in Palazzo.
I think there is.
All right. Well, yeah. Well, maybe this is accessible.
Maybe, yeah.
So yeah, then a little living room. Yeah, there's normally in Venetian there's stairs. Maybe in Palazzo there isn't. And he said it's a sphere view. Oh, it's a full sphere and golf course view, and it is right on the sphere. Right, not a bad view from the Palazzo. We got the sphere, and then look at that, the Wynn Golf Club. How nice does that look? Absolute dead. No one on it. Guess it is for like $500 to play. Nice view. The Wynn. Alright, so just unpacked, just been doing some bits and bobs on the computer, moving some photos around. We are ready to go out. It is now 3 o'clock. I've only had 1 drink.
We're out for the night now, aren't we? We're not coming back.
We're out for the night. Yeah, we're out for the night. We're off to Wynn later for dinner. So we're going to head out of, make sure we've got the free play. We're going to head out of Venetian. We're going to go...
some gambling here first, no?
No. Decision made. No, because we've got a lot to do. We'll gamble in here tonight after the Wynn. So what we're going to do is we're going to head out. We're going to go down to Casino Royale and then across to Treasure Island and then back to Wynn and back Venetian afterwards.
Okay.
because let's get that done before it gets too busy.
Okay.
So I'll pick it up in a bit. Enjoying the view. That's a nice design on the sphere. Oh, I just want to go play golf.
The golf course is empty though. It's quite.
I know. There's literally. I can see one group, two groups down there. There's probably three groups. Four. I can see 4 groups on the whole of the 18. On the whole of the 18 holes. Anyway, we are making a move, and from here, when the airplanes take off, you get them banking. Let you know I like a shot of the airplanes banking over the strip. Anyway, we're off. Well, the Mirage volcano has gone, but Roman New Routes has brought the Mirage volcano back to life. Look at that. There's my little volcano. Shoots out a little little ring of water vapor. Comes with a remote control. I can change the colour from blue to orange, and then I can really set the volcano off. Whoa. Hey, brill. So easily pleased. I get me drunk. First drink of the day at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. She's trying to get me to drink a Voodoo Ranger. Tropic Force, 9.5%. Right, we are making our way down to the casino. I've decided to take I thought I'd take a harder black cherry. I thought it'd be a nice, easy drink to drink. I didn't realise it was also 8% alcohol. Right, let's see. Let's hope that Venetian and Palazzo have better luck than Fountain Blue, Resorts World, Park MGM, Aria, Bellagio. For you. Actually, Cosmo was okay this morning after the accidental $8.80 bet won me $150. So we're going to check the machine, make sure we've got our free play, and then we'll start the gambling session. Right, we are on Dragon Link. We're not in the high limit, but we're on the high limit slots. It took about an hour, it took about 30 minutes to get that sorted. It wasn't the free play was not showing on the account, so you had to call the marketing team, the host, manager, a few other people. Anyway, literally 30 minutes later, she's fixed it. She's put $150 on. We've loaded up 50. We are on 5-cent denom. We are gonna do 250 or 5. We'll start with 250. Come on. We're just gonna do $50. We'll come back if we get a bonus or a line hit. That would be a nice one. This was a bust. 2 spins left. We've turned $50 into $5. Now 3. All right, we are moving on to Casino Royale. Donutty. This place looks cool. It's a boutique donut cafe. Let's take a quick look at some of the goodies here. Ooh. Oh, Italian tiramisu. Emily would love that. Donutique had some lovely donuts. I'm not usually a donut fan, but I might be tempted by one of them later in the day or tomorrow. Milos, I think this is new Milos, isn't it? It's one of the new restaurants. It's nice. Right, we are making our way from Palazzo through Venetian and down to the dingy, the dirty, the danky skanky Casino Royale. But it is still one of my favourite casinos. $5 beers, toilets you can get stabbed in, and good quality slots. And this on the right hand side, Yardbird.
Very nice.
Awesome food in there. We really, really enjoyed our brunch that we had last time we stayed. So I'll shut up rambling and I'll pick it up when we get to Casino Royale. All right, this is actually the first time we are walking down the strip. We've been here for 3 days, 4 days.
We did when we went to Cosmo. We walked down.
No, we didn't really walk down the strip. We walked from the shops to Cosmo over a bridge. All right, not much left of Mirage. Well, there's a bus blocking the view, but stinks of marijuana. The volcano's gone. They've already started laying the foundations, putting the steel beams in for the new guitar that will be going in for hard rock. All right. Dirty to Casino Royale. Here we come. Can't wait. $5 beers, $20 on us. Here we go. Look at that beauty. We are all signed up. We got our $20 card. We got our $20 ready. We're going to go into our usual back corner around here where we always gamble. Last time we came in, Emily won, so she didn't get her free play. We might find the old school machines like we usually do. So good to be back at Emily hates it. She's walking around going, there's so many Fruit Loops. Oh, Emily, look! Wizard of Oz! We do like a Wizard of Oz. I love all the old school games you just don't get anywhere else. Ooh, I've done quite well on Kong so far. I might give Kong a go. The old games are on the far wall. Alright. No, thank you.
Yeah, I might have gone that.
Hot horse meat mixed with beef, chicken, God knows what else. Emily's wandering around and around the casino. What machine will she pick? I think she's going to go on Squid Games. Something different. Maybe not. She's just going to keep walking around. Oh, she'll go on Bond or Monopoly. No, she's hearing me. Look, there's your diamond. That's a normal game. Bit of Whitney. Game of Thrones. Or are you just going to walk around the casino and not play any money? You going on what? Wizard of Oz. Right, she's going on Wizard of Oz. I'm going to jump on something here. And I'll pick it up if we get a bonus. Right, first spin. What are we having? 5x? Is it 5x the bet? 5x multiplier. Alright, we've got to land something. 6x. So we've got 10s. He's wild. So Queens, Jacks, 10s, 6x, $4.08 on our first spin. Alright, not bad. Alright, down to $2.90. We hit the bonus. Not expecting much on a 60-cent bet. It's like being back in Disney with all this stuff. Even though like the voiceovers, it's very Disney-like. Right. He bangs it, and whatever's left, you land. Are you ready? Let's go. Alright, what are we going to get? It's hard to get it all in. Leave some progressives. Alright, there's a major there, there's a mini. The major's $1,600. $20 at the bottom will do. Keep the 20s, keep the 20s, keep the 20s. Keep the major. Major's gone. $4, 2 20s, I'll take that. Leave it all, leave it. Yes! $45 bonus on a 60-cent bet. No $20 free play for me. I'll take that. Monster. See? Drink Monster Energy drinks, you get monster wins. Alright, nice. Alright, so Casino Royale was a bust for Emily. She lost her $20 and then she lost the $20 free play. Got another $20 in her own money, so she's lost in total 60, but only 40 of her own. I put 20 in and I have walked out with $50. I didn't film it, but I had a couple of good wins on one of the older machines. That's the wrong way, Russell. So yeah, I'm a bit annoyed that I didn't get my free $20 free play. Funny thing is, I hit a bonus, as you saw, with like $2 left. If I'd hit that with the $20 free play, it would have been a lot nicer. But walking away with $30, I'm happy. Going back into Venetian, we're not going to head to Treasure Island. Emily doesn't fancy gambling in Treasure Island. We don't think we've got any free play, so there's no real reason to go. So we're going to focus our gambling in Venetian Palazzo. See if we can get some decent points and hopefully some comps in the future. On Secret Treasures, not played this game before. We put $35 in our free play. We'll do 1 cent denom, $1.76 a bet. No idea what we're looking for. 3 gold coins awards to hold and spin bonus. Let's see if we can land something. Button doesn't work, so it's a screen tapper job. So we're looking for 3 coins. Come back. Ooh, 1 more would have been nice. Come back, big numbers. I'll come back if we get a bonus or a line hit. We haven't won anything on our free play on new machines, so we jump back onto the old faithful Dragon Link. 5 cent denom, $1.25 a bet. And we got the bonus. Hold and spin. Mini is oh, bloody hell. Mini is $50, minor $2.50. Go on, we'll take a mini. It's a 5 cent denom. Low numbers. Oh yeah, it's dropping them. Nope. 3 more. I'll take the 13,200 for the grand. Or a mini. Oh, nothing. Well, it's not a great win, but it's a win on free play. Can't complain. Flat $30. We'll take it. Right, we are on Stack Up Pays. I have been chasing this mini for a while. Been on this game for about half an hour. It's must hit by 125 and I landed it on 122. Alright, here we go. 1 cent denom, 75 cents a bet. Let's see what we can do. Never played this game before. Mini 106 expands. I don't know what that means. It means it's already used 90 of the... Oh wow. I haven't had a single thing. Is this a joke? 63 expands left. I've had 7 spins and I haven't won a single thing. Is this taking the mick? Wow. First hit after 8 spins, $5. This better have something big up its sleeve. Wow, was that it? I just spent 45 minutes trying to play this. So the reason I was playing it was because that was at 120 and it said must hit by 125, and that was at is 190 must hit by 200. Don't scam pots. Scam pots, scam pots, scam pots. Don't buy into scam pots. Don't buy into scam pots. So what do? I go on the machine next to it, look at, ooh, 3 fat piggies. Let's play. All right. 80 cents a bet, 1 cent denom. What do we get back if we get a bonus or a line hit? Come on, piggies. All right, we are leaving Venetian. It is 6 o'clock. We're going to make our way to Wynn for 6:30 buffet. Interesting story. I sat down on Phoenix Link, which is fast becoming one of the, I would say, my most popular.
Maggie's got Royce chocolate.
Ooh, Royce. It's fast becoming one of my favourite games, and it seems to be fast becoming one of everyone's favourite games. It's like the new Dragon Link. Well, it is the new Dragon Link, but it's very popular. Anyway, here's the story. So, sat down at Phoenix Link. This guy sits down next to me, proceeds to whack in 6 $100 bills, puts the bet on $25, sits there and just goes dush, 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 dush. Literally, must have been less than 2 minutes, $600 gone. Just, I must have bet $2.50 in the time that he bet $600. Gets out a wad of cash, another 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, feeds the machine another 400. Dush, 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 dush. Gone. Gets more cash out, puts another 600 through the machine. Dush, 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 dush. Ding, 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 ding. Lands the hold and spin feature. $1,250 orb. Walks away with a hand pay. Only $1,600. And the guy goes, oh well, at least I'm even on this machine. The guy's just put through $1,600 and he's just like, oh well, I'm even. This medium has 75-cent bets.
50 cents.
50-cent bets, like, woo, I want a $10 mini. Right, we are back in Palazzo. If I'm sounding funny today, it's because I have literally got more mouth ulcers inside my mouth than numbers on a roulette table. It is literally, and that's one sign that whenever I get sick, I always come down with like 5 or 6 mouth ulcers inside. Oh. So, when you've got a mouthful of mouth ulcers, what do? You go for an all-you-can-eat buffet. I'll pick it up when we get to the Wynn, which I have never won in the Wynn. Ooh, Karate Kid. Tell you what, there's some good games. Oh, that's new. Long Fuju. There's some good games in Venetian and Palazzo. So far, Mighty Cash. So far, I'm having my best day and most enjoyable day in here, Venetian and Palazzo. Maybe it's because I put in $100 and it's maintained all afternoon. Might be some. Oh, there's the banana game. Yeah, I'll shut up rambling now. Might have had a few shandies, if you can't tell. Say hello, Emily.
I've only had 2 beers.
Only 2 beers and no wins. Ooh, only 2 beers and no wins makes Emily a dull baby girl. Alright, I'll shut up. See you at the Wynn. Feeling good. I feel like this is the first afternoon where I felt a little bit like myself. My voice is clearing up, my head's clearing up, I'm drinking, I'm gambling, I'm winning, and I'm feeling naughty, I'm feeling cheeky. I haven't felt naughty and I haven't felt cheeky in days. Hence, the footage this afternoon may be a little bit different. A bit of the old me. Anyway, we're gonna find a winning machine. No losers here tonight. What's your favourite game? Reading Rhino. For once, the Owens are going to win in the Wynn. You have left me with no money. Never mind, no money. No money. And then, have you got any idea where you're going? Or are you just walking around aimlessly hoping you stumble across the buffet? Kong's done me well this trip. Big sexy beast. Alright. We are making our way over to the buffet. We're going to jump on a machine. Alright, no luck in the Wynn. We just put a $30-40 through the machines. Nothing. So we are heading to the buffet. We have 6:15. We have a reservation at 6:30. So I'm not going to film a huge amount in the buffet. I will film some of the food on offer. And then we'll pick it up after when we give our review, our opinion. And then we jump back on the slot machines. We have been here before. It is a good buffet. It is, in my opinion, better. Is it better than Bacchanal? Age-old questions. It's different to Bacchanal. Bacchanal is bigger. Bacchanal, in my opinion, is better for seafood. Although, actually, they've now changed the buffet. And this is now a seafood buffet every single night of the week. Didn't used to be. So I'll be interested to see if the seafood options are better or if they are the same. So I'll pick it up afterwards and I'll give you our full review. All right, we have finished in the Wynn Buffet, and not a patch on what it used to be. Grossly overpriced for what it is. Food was very, very poor. Selection wasn't great. A lot of people have said the Wynn Buffet has gone downhill. 100% agree with them. Not a patch on what it used to be. Very, very poor. Wicked Spoon, I think we both agreed and said Wicked Spoon is better, and it's half the price. It's a seafood night, but they've got the same amount of seafood they used to have on previously, but they've reduced all the other dishes. Even the prime rib, the brisket.
Everything was just very tasteless.
Yeah, it was. It was very bland. The pastas, it was just all bland. I mean, Emily's had like $6 worth of food. I mean, I've had about 20 crab's legs, but they were very watery, clearly frozen. Just, yeah, not great. Not Wynn standards. Bacchanal, hands down, trumps.
Well, we haven't been
Wynn.
back to Bacchanal.
We haven't been back to Bacchanal, no. We haven't done Wynn for a couple of years, but it's definitely not what it used to be. So we're not going to gamble anymore in Wynn. We're going to head back to Venetian and Palazzo and carry on the gambling there so we can get some points. So I'll pick it up when we get across to Venetian and we jump on a machine. All right, we are on Money Mansion. We put $100 in. 3 spins later, we landed 2 and we had the 4 hats on the piggies. Not expecting much. The gambling this evening has been garbage. Let's see if we can finally get a decent win on Hufflepuff. Come on, one more. Come on, mansions. One more. Oh, we need an extra spin. Come on, 3. One more. That'll do. Extra spin. Still no mansions yet, though. 2 wooden. Plenty of straws. Oops. Right, 2 more. Oh, come on. Just land 1 in the wood and get 1 mansion. Come on, 1 mansion. Oh, you ratbag. You're gonna do us the dirty, aren't you? Oh no, there we go. 2 golds. That's all we need to win 15 bucks.
Might get deed.
Might get deed. Might not. Might get a hand pay. Probably not. See, he's nodding his head saying nope. No hand pay. Here we go. Let's hope for a deed. Or a coin. 15. Mini jackpot winner! You know what? We'll take $41 after 3 spins. Thank you. Puff and Puff. Money Mansion. 2 more. Oh, wilds don't line up. Well, I'll come back if we get a bonus or another line here. Just need 1 more. Just push. Come up. One of you. Come up. Alright. $3 line hit. I'll be back if we get a bonus. Alright, we are back. We landed 5. We were both shouting like, one. We need 1 more. We got it. $1.79 on $1 bet. Don't know why we're getting so excited. Good positioning though. Good positioning. Come on, mansions. 3. No. 1 more. Alright, there's 1 wood. Come on. Oh, puff and puff. Not in that space. Extra spin. You need to take it. Come on, just 1 mansion. Oh, filling in every single gap. Hats. Come on, last spin. 3 needed. Oh. Alright, no mansions, few straws. Best we can hope for is a coin, a mini coin behind one of those wooden houses. I reckon about $12 we'll get. tomorrow, 14. You know, I've never noticed that it says here like 250 one today, 400 one yesterday.
Yeah.
9,000 14 days ago. That's quite good. Alright, well, better than nothing. All the way. Oh, you wild there. Right, we're getting a lot of hats popping up on the top, so we'll keep playing this game. Alright, one. Oh my god, Emily. How can you get 5 on top and not land 1 yellow hat? Oh, this game is teasing. I think we've got 1 more bonus in us on here. Before we're going to play it down to 5 again. We're going to play it down to 110. If we don't hit something else, we're going to move on. 1 more. Right, 3. Aye. 5. 1 more. Oh my god. Alright, we are playing Wheel of the Gods Raw. And we didn't get a line hit, but we set the bonus off. No idea how. So, not sure what this is. I'm guessing that's how many games. Major would be nice. Minor would be okay. 6 games, I'm guessing. Now, these are all filled with zeros, so I don't get what's going on. Ah, right, okay, so $6, $66. Is that what it is? $6? What's he doing now? What's going on? Is that it? Oh, there's a lot of fanfare. Bloody hell. Just randomly set off. Alright, we have finished with the gambling in Palazzo Venetian. Emily's already in bed, back in the room. I am heading up there now. That's not us, next one. So I'll do a quick wrap up in a minute, back in the room. Here she is, look. I know you're asleep because I can see your phone's on.
No, because I'm reading the...
What? What's up, Emily? Say hello to everyone.
Go away.
Alright, let's take a look at the Sphere and the view. We haven't seen the view. Oh, there isn't really much of a view, is there? Because it's dark. The Sphere is fantastic. See if I can get the camera into a decent position. There we go. It's like the Pepsi Max logo on crack. Oh, it's Dead & Company, Dead Forever, live at Sphere. All right, ladies and gents. That's not a great light, is it? We are back in the room. Quick recap. Emily came back with $250, so success for her, and I come back with $200, so success for me. I'm happy with that. Today's the first day where I've started to feel a little bit normal and started to enjoy myself. I'm still very nasal and bunged up, but fingers crossed I'll wake up tomorrow. I'm going to have a hot bath now. Fingers crossed I'll wake up tomorrow feeling good as gold. Maybe not good as gold, but getting there. And yeah, the normal me will be back, normal service resumed. So all that's left for me to say is a big thank you for watching. I say thank you. Emily says thank you.
Thank you.
And hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you next week when we check back into the Cosmo. Well, we're already checked into the Cosmo. We move back to the Cosmo
Amaya.
and go to Amaya Mexican and do some other stuff. Adios. See you next week.